In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the chain here. And for that thing, you don't even have to dismount the shade. It could be mounted on the wall and everything, and you can simply exchange the chain while the shade is there. All you have to do is pop up this cap, take it out. These Vako clutches are designed to work with standard size chain, so it's really compatible with everything that you can find on the market. You can use your own chain or you can buy those from Vako. And in another instances, you want to change the position of the control unit. In this case, it sits on the right side. So you probably may want to change it and flip it to the left side. Once again, you don't need to disassemble the entire kit. All you have to do is release the control unit, pull just a little bit so you can see the drive rod, and release this screw. And just push it a little bit so it could show up on the other side of the truck. I'm flipping it over and pushing it so you can see the rod coming from the other side. Screw that in here and push it back in. So now we have the control unit on the left side.